So this guy has never been in water. This was the first one that fell off the roof. All right, we'll get you reunited with your mom. Yay! I will gladly give Ed $1.
I keep thinking it's these poor frickin' ducks. Gonna get to be imprinted on Greg.
So they were born in the last 2. Oh, what? Oh, now all of a sudden she likes the ducks. Guy has never been in water. This was the first one that fell off the roof. These guys, every year we have a green roof. They don't realize it's great for getting rid of predators or keeping away the predators, but they never know that the mom never thinks it through that they won't be able to get down. Let's see if he knows what to do. Something tells me he'll know. Hey, look at the turtle. He looks for his mom. Aww. You gotta admit, that's pretty cute. All right, we'll get you reunited with your mom. Tell our viewers what we do every single spring, you and me.
Every single spring, we have geese, and we have a lot of other birds that actually lay eggs on the top of our green roof. We have a native Illinois prairie on top of our roof, which is the perfect habitat for all different types of wildlife. What's odd, though, or interesting, is they put their nests and lay the eggs right on the edge of the building, which is kind of crazy because there's a 30 to a 40-foot drop off of that edge. This lucky guy happened to land right into our lily pond, so he had a nice. He landed right in that lily pond.
Oh my God!
What are the odds?
That's what his name should be, Lucky.
So we're gonna go up on top, and we're gonna try to see how many geese are up there. The problem is the parents are very aggressive, rightfully so. They want to protect their babies, so we have to kind of keep the parents at bay while we come in, take the young ones so they don't throw themselves off the side of the building, and they'll typically die. Four, five, six, 7.
I'm about to sweat. All right, let's do this. Well, we have a little bit of a problem here, Ed, because if we can't find the parents.
Yeah, which I'm gonna guess they're gone.
Maybe he was just the firstborn.
Possible.
Because we see a broken egg and we see the other ones right here. Ed, what do you think of this idea? Since I don't see any of his siblings, I think we should bring this guy down. I bet you that if we put him with another set, the parents would reject him.
Yeah, not necessarily. If they have a set of babies that are born already and they're all kind of growing up, then I think it'll probably be fine. But if we put them with a bunch of eggs,
oh yeah, no,
it's not going to work.
You think? I don't know. You think that a mother would adopt?
I think it would.
Why do you think that? You went to school, got a zoology degree, so. I don't think it would. I have an interpersonal communication degree. My theory is when we bring other geese down, we put this one in, the parents will reject the new one. Your theory is when we bring some others down, and if they're small, they'll go right along and the parents will adopt them.
Correct.
Okay? I bet you $1. $1.
Sounds good.
$1 on this.
Rob had mentioned that neighboring pond over there had some baby geese, you know, walking around. They've already hatched and they're there, and maybe we can take that guy over. And, yeah, totally.
Okay, we have $1 on this. Okay, let's go do that. I will gladly give Ed $1. So Eddie, took the bucket and I turned it over, and the mom and the father geese came up. Guess what happened?
They took him in?
Yeah. I owe you a buck. I was starting to question myself. Like, why would I ever argue with Ed about this stuff?
You know, what's awesome about what we do is we're dealing with wildlife. So yeah, we had a problem with a goose falling off of a roof, but this is an awesome problem to have. The reason all these things are happening is because we're building an aquatic ecosystem. As soon as we build that ecosystem, animals start coming in. And this is in an urbanized environment. So for us to see these things is just an unbelievable testament to the power of water.
Say hi to Michael, a recent University of Michigan. That's my dog Buckeye, so you know where my affiliation is. And Michael, what are we doing right now?
Going to get ducks imprinted on you.
And what is imprinting, Michael?
A drawing of a duck.
No, that would be a print. So you have a degree in environmental science, and they've never taught you what imprinting is, huh?
No idea. It's like branding.
You know what imprinting is, right, honey?
Yes.
All right, you're about to see a human being imprinted on by a duck. Very excited about this. I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging?
Okay, so Ellen,
Yes.
this young man who just got his degree from University of Michigan on Friday
Congratulations.
in environmental studies
Wow, cool.
does not know what imprinting is.
I do know. I figured it out.
He asked if we were going to press the ducks against Greg. All I keep thinking is these poor frickin' ducks. They get to be imprinted on Greg.
So they were born in the last two. Oh, what? What kind of ducks are these?
So these are called Welsh Harlequin ducks. They were born yesterday in the incubator. She just reached in, grabbed them, put them in a box.
Aww. Hello. Hey, guys. Aww. Aww. I'm your new mother.
I wanted to imprint on me a little.
Oh, now all of a sudden she likes the ducks. Sure. That is so cool, Ellen. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
These guys are the newest pets for Aqualand. They're going to have an indoor pond in the winter. They're going to have an outdoor pond during the day. They'll probably come in every night. I want them to follow me. Like, I'm going to take them out there. So when I was in, Carla, you've never heard this story. When I was in 3rd grade, Cole, the reason that I know what imprinting is, besides the fact that I went to Ohio State, is that when I was in 3rd grade, a nest was abandoned, and my neighbor and I raised the babies. When they imprinted on us, we would walk them down to the beach, and they would swim with us and walk back with us from the beach in New Jersey. Look at that right there. He's totally checking me out. Are you a little less irritated now that you've seen them?
They're very cute, but I'm not sure we need 3 ducks.
All right, so is this Jester? So Jester's a month old now?
Month old. Chester.
So he's a character?
He's hysterical. The house was from the 1850s. This was built in 1941.
You're gonna make it into a yoga studio for goats, huh?
I am. Well, we're gonna start this year in there for yoga. But then the bottom floor will be, we're gonna open it all up, put a nice deck floor. Then the 2nd floor where the grain bins are, we're gonna open that up. And then the 3rd floor will have a spiral staircase going up to it.
And there's Jester. Okay, so we've got geese hatching on the roof. We have baby ducklings growing up in my little Aqualand zoo that I'm creating. Check them out right here. You ready for a swim? So I have been training them how to swim in the indoor fish tank, but they have not been outdoors yet. So let's check out and see how they do. I'll show you what I've been doing to train them. This is part of a parent's responsibility to train their kids to swim. There's your buddy. Yes, there you go. Yeah. Okay. I think they're ready for their big outdoor edition. Do you like the ducks?
I love the ducks.
Aren't they cute?
It'll be.
I'm taking them out for their first swim outside.
Oh. Good luck.
Heather's been here for 37 years. We've only been open 27, but she was started before. You gotta teach them how to swim. Come on, don't eat them. Teach these guys how to swim. Yeah, he's a good big brother. Nice, Buckeye. Is that like the cutest thing ever? It's okay, Buck. All right, let's dry them off. All safe. They got their exercise for the day, their first time in the pond. Hey, if you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe, and follow along as these guys get bigger and grow up, and new things happen every single day at Aqualand. I am vlogging right now. All right. So, do you think the monitor lizard would eat that guy?
Oh yeah.
Look at the tails. Tell me if this smells.